Hello guys, welcome back at To Use RedNote App. For today's video, we're going to show you how to use RedNote app. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering how to exactly use the RedNote app here. Now, in this case, using it is fairly easy because again, it's quite similar to TikTok, but then again, it's also quite different. So let's go ahead and open up RedNote here and basically access our account. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to create your account. So if you haven't created your account here yet for the RedNote app, we actually have a video for that. So make sure to check out our channel. But let's go ahead and start using it. So by default, there are going to be some buttons here that you can access. So similar to TikTok, they also have the follow, explore, and some nearby option here. Which in this case, from the name itself, explore allows you to explore different content creators or creators within the platform itself. Now, if you go to follow, this actually gives you the option to view the content of the people that you currently follow. Now, for nearby, these are going to be content that is nearby in your area. So in this case, it will give you content that is near in your area. Now, what we need to do next here is we need to explore the buttons that you see at the very bottom. Now, in this case, we have the home page, which in this case, currently, this is the page that we're currently accessing. So this is where you do a bunch of stuff or basically do what generally what you could do within the platform itself, which is watch videos, watch content, and whatever. Now, if you go to shop here, this actually allows you to access the shop. But currently, if I'm not mistaken, this is only available in certain regions, so you won't be able to use it directly. But again, if you're in a region that supports shopping here, you won't have any problems. But let's go and click on messages. Now, messages from the name itself allows you to see your messages, even message people if you want to. Now, if you go and click on me, this shows you your profile. Now, the great thing about your profile here is you can customize this and view a few things. So first, it's going to be your post here that you see at the very bottom. You also have your collects. So if you added collections into your account, and if you've liked something, this is where they'll be appearing as well. Now, if you want to edit, like for example, your icon here, let's go and click on it, and you have the option to upload your avatar, create an AI avatar, and even get avatar accessory here if you want. Also change the background for your profile here. Even click on profile here if you want to change a few names. Two things, like for example, your name, your bio, your gender, birth date, your job, location. If you want to add all those details. Now, if you want to post something, you can just click on the plus button at the very bottom here, and it's quite similar to other platforms out there like Instagram and TikTok. So it's pretty easy. So you can just click on it. And from here on, you could go ahead and allow access for this one. If you want to allow access on your storage device, you can even use a video here. But then again, you need to allow access for this one in order for you to use this feature. Now, if you click on the 3-bar icon at the top left here, this actually allows you to do a bunch of things. Like, for example, if you want to discover some friends, even view the draft videos that you created before, your comments, if you want to basically visit what you comment or what posts you commented before, also your history, your orders, and your current card. Now, if you want to view their community guidelines here, you can go and click on community guidelines. And if you want to give a feedback or scan a QR code, you also have that video at the very bottom here. Now, how do we use the watching feature here, or how do we start watching videos on the RedNote app? Well, in this case, you just need to go to your home here and just check whatever you want. So we have the For You page here. You can visit videos, profile photos here as well. But let's go ahead and choose a video. So maybe I want to open up a video. So maybe this one. And from here, as you can see, there are going to be different buttons I see at the right section here, which allows you to like something. So that's the heart icon I see there. We also have the comment button here, which allows you to see all the comments. So same thing, you can comment at the very bottom here. I'll even tag people, add emojis, and even add images, which is something really cool. Now, we also have the option to save this later on. So if this will be added into your collections, if you want to view it later, you can even share this at the very bottom here. So you can share this to your friends, even dislike this or save this to your album if you want to, or even take a Snapchat or use the picture in picture option here, which is a minimized version of the video. So you could also click on their name here to visit their profile. So if you want to view their posts, how many followers they have, how many likes they have, they're following. So if you want to also follow them, or if you want to message them, you can go and click on message here, which in this case will give you the option to message them. But yeah, if you want to basically view the recently viewed video, you could go and click on just viewed. redirect you to that exact same video that we saw before. If you click on this redirect option, yeah, again, you have the option to share this to your friends, copy the link for this one, even report or even block that specific profile from appearing from your account. But yeah, so in this case, that's how you use the RedNote app here, just to get you started on using it. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe at TL app. Thank you for watching.